Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Abna, and today I'm taking you along to an exciting trip to Disney World, Florida. I have never been. I've been to Disneyland Paris, but it's not the same, right? So I'm excited. How cool is this airport? But also guys, I'm so hot. I think it's like 35 degrees. And look what I'm wearing. A tracksuit. Guys, I am so sweaty because I had to run back and forth because my room key wasn't working when I first arrived. But we have successfully checked into Disney's Contemporary Resort. I believe this is one of the resorts in the highest tiers of resorts that Disney have. So I have high expectations. Let me just quickly show you the room. So this is the bathroom. Everything looks kind of really nice and clean. Toilet. And I love the Incredibles theming in here. So this is the baby from the Incredibles. How cool. And also, hello. I just love that they have these like Disney themed vanity kits. I'm taking all this home. Like, what do you mean? Like, and then we have like your wardrobe space, and we have this, I think this looks like an espresso kind of tea point. Okay, I have no idea what that is actually. Actually, I think this is for ice and then espresso. I'm really hoping I was really hoping I would have drinks in there, but there's no drinks, so I guess I have to fill up myself. As you can see, I'm so thirsty, but yeah, this is your tea point. Then we have the room. It's a bit dark right now, but these are the two beds. As you can see, they are themed again with the Incredibles, characters from the Incredibles. And they're both double beds, so I can fit 4 people in this room. We have outside, just outside is the monorail, which transports you to different Disney parks, which is really cool. And then we have this couch and the TV, which I just think is a nice chill area, especially when I've gone out the whole day and I don't want to put my outside clothes on the bed because my bed is meant to stay clean. This is where I'll be chilling. Okay guys, I just went to the vending machine to go get some snacks because dinner's not till 6:30 or so, and it's now 4 something, so I have 2 hours before we actually eat dinner. But I thought I'd use this opportunity to kind of explain kind of why I'm at Disney, what's going on, what's the plan, so you guys can follow along. So essentially, I'm actually here for a press event. So Disney has invited content creators, journalists, just people from the media and press in general from all over to come and see some of the new things they're doing in Disney, and obviously to kind of like share that with other people. So one of the key things that they're doing in Disney right now is they are renovating and bringing new things to EPCOT. So EPCOT is one of the 4 Disney World parks here. So tomorrow I'm going to take you guys along to show you what's happening at EPCOT, what's new, what's buzzing, like that would be interesting. And then the day after we're also going to the Magic Kingdom because there's a new ride called Tiana's Bayou. So we're going to go and see it firsthand. I'm going to take you guys with me, and I'm in Disney for the next 4 days. Well, 3.5 to 4 days, but I think it's going to be quite an intense trip, so I'm going to split the vlog into 2 parts. But I just think it's going to be so fun and so interesting. I'm here with the UK gang, and everyone seems so nice so far. I've only really met all of them kind of today. I think I want to nap and get ready for dinner this evening. I was sat at a table and then I saw the sun shining and I was like, I have to come out and see this. It's glorious. They have Aladdin playing out here just randomly. I love all these like little pockets of magic and like performances that you wouldn't expect.
Great! There's all kinds of Disney stories. You can ask for short or long stories.
Good morning, Disney! Guys, I slept in my Orlando, Florida top. I have like next to zero Disney merch, so I need to buy some on this trip, but also all the Disney stuff I have are like PJs, like Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse PJs from like Primark or something. So I need to get like proper tops I can wear like out and about. I need to get some ears. So guys, we are here at Typhoon Lagoon for the media breakfast to start off this media event at Walt Disney World. There's some really cute kind of tropical themed breakfast options and steel drums playing, and it's just a great vibe. There are people from the media and press from around the world. We're repping UK obviously, but super exciting.
With Guardians of the Galaxy right next to us. Such a fun ride. It is a roller coaster. So if you do like have some motion sensitivities, I would just know that it does go very fast.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man.
What's happening? That was so good! Ride 1, Guardians of the Galaxy, 9 out of 10, period. So guys, the next ride of the day is Soarin'. Apparently it's a really chill one. You watch a nice kind of movie, animation. I think I could do that. We're now in the pavilion part of the park. Essentially, EPCOT is a park where you can celebrate different cultures around the world. So they try and like put different stands where you can kind of visit different countries, basically, like taste the cuisine and like see the architecture a little bit. There's different countries I know, there's like Norway, Mexico. That was a 7.5 out of 10. A little splash, some water, but still a pretty calm family ride. This is so cool. So Raven gave me her everything margarita drink because it's too strong. It's not very strong. It's nice. It's fine.
And she's had another. She's had. You know how I know? You know how I know? She just had a troll thingy with vodka and whatever else that was in it.
It was rum. It was rum. It was rum.
It was rum
fine.
and vodka. It had two.
Guys, I am so sweaty. It's embarrassing. It's meant to be 34 degrees, but actually feels like 40 degrees right now, and the heat is so heavy. It's just like the start of June, so I can't imagine coming here July, August. Like, that's insane. Yeah. Guys, when I tell you today took me out, I don't know if I felt this week for a really long time. When I say week, I don't feel like I want to faint. I actually did feel like I was going to faint out there in the sun, like between 2 to 3 o'clock. The heat was so bad, like so bad. Oh, but thankfully we've gotten back. When we got back, we went to one of the welcome events for this media event we're at in Disney, and I got a little goodie bag, so I thought I would share what I got in here. One of it is a cap. It says Tiana's Bayou Adventure, because tomorrow we're gonna preview Tiana's new ride, which will be so cool. We have this. I'm assuming this is some sort of fan. It looks like it has like a sort of a fan rotation thing, but it just feels really heavy, so I don't know if I'm gonna use it because I have my own sort of hand fan that's a lot lighter. We didn't have a little water bottle, which is so cute. I have my own water bottle, but you know, I could do another one. Oh my god, got complimentary coffee. I might get cold brew tomorrow, but I think the coolest thing we got were pins. So we got this like generic 2024 just like neck thing, but then we could swap some of the pins out. So I swapped Donald Duck, I think, for this Simba pin, which I think is honestly so cute. It's like a digital Simba. And then I swapped, it's not Minnie Mouse, it's like Minnie Mouse's taller brother with this like castle pin, just because last night the magical castle was just, it made me so emotional and it was such a nice memory to capture. So I have this pin, I've got this pin, and then I have these like 2 generic 2024 pins. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them or not. I probably will try and like exchange them out, or I'll keep them. I'll see. But my legs are in pain and we have dinner this evening, and they're gonna show us more of like how they're transforming EPCOT. It was kind of funny, like when we were walking around today, we got to one of the rides and there was a lady saying that, oh my days, like the park has changed since the last time we came. And this is my first time at Disney World in Florida, so I've never seen EPCOT before, but it looks like they've changed a lot of things in the park, so we're gonna learn more about that this evening. But for now, I need to go shower very quickly. I'm trying to get a Minnie Mouse headband, but my head is really big and I think they only come in one size, so I'm trying to see if I can get an adjustable one, but it's not looking great.